landmarks that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way.
We are in South Haven. We were staying at the Kal-Haven RV Resort, and this is the Black River over here, and this trail goes all the way to South Haven, not that far.
And forgive the echo, that is our bike helmets made by Senna.
Yes.
So we just arrived here, and beautiful crisp day, give you a little sense of it all. It's, I'm going to guess 65 degrees. I'm wearing shorts. Melissa's wearing a jacket. She's taking pictures, and I'm taking video.
I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind, watch the river roll, and the sun would always shine. When we sat there, you and I, the river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up.
Yeah.
We're going to go in and share an ice cream cup.
We are not sharing. I do not share ice cream ever.
She doesn't
I
share
don't
well,
like
although
it.
she teaches her grandchild to share.
Well, I would give some to Jackson, our grandchild, but
But
I don't
me?
share. No.
So we can't just get one.
No.
Okay, then you get yourself. I'm not having any ice cream.
No, you can have one. Just have
No,
one.
I don't want one,
Why?
because I'll share yours.
No, you're not.
Get going.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right.
It's the Lighthouse in South Haven. Foggy day. Oh God. Oh my God. No, I'm fine. I forgot that was there. I almost fell on the floor.
Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. stopping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind, my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh.
We tried to get into the Maria Taste of Italy, and I went inside. They said 20-minute wait. We waited outside 20 minutes, didn't hear anything, came back in, and the woman says, "Oh, it's going to be 20 minutes." And I said, "Oh, you already told me 20 minutes." And there was no way, because unfortunately I have a business meeting. So we ended up going to Taste, and they accommodated us and sat us down, even though it's a huge table. But they were really nice. And actually, the business center recommended this place. So we would select a lot of small plates that you order, and it looks like hopefully it's going to be good.
We were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me.
Hello again, everybody. It's Scott.
And Melissa,
Welcome to RV Rollin' with MJ.
we are in South Haven, Michigan. It's a cute little seaside town, and we stayed at the
Love
Kal-Haven.
the sea.
Love the sea.
It's now a lakeside town,
Oh, Lakeside, sorry.
but it's okay. Yeah.
Lakeside town, and it's we stayed at Kal-Haven RV Park, which was about a 20-minute walk or 9-minute bike ride into town, which was great.
It's about a half hour west of Kalamazoo. What is Kalamazoo famous
Derek
for?
Jeter grew up, was not born there,
Okay.
but Scott thought that he was born there, but he grew up there.
Very, very nice. So what do you think of the town?
I thought it was very cute. I loved the lighthouse. That was nice. They had something interesting where before the lighthouse, you could explain it because you spoke to the guy.
It was a pier. In order to get it onto the pier, to the lighthouse, instead of just the cement pier, in case there's high water or storms, they have actually a catwalk built probably about 15 feet above the pier that the Lighthouse Keeper would use to get across in case of a bad storm. Found that fascinating.
Yeah, we
Not
didn't
so
know what-
fascinating, but wanted to add it to the content here.
It was interesting. I didn't know what it was. So, but the lighthouse was nice, and seeing the boat. It was a little foggy, but
It's
was
a nice,
kinda cool.
it's a nice, typical. It's a lakeside, as Melissa calls it, a seaside. So you'd see along the coast somewhere, probably a summer hangout, shopping. Nice place to come in the summer. I think we spoke to a local, and they said it kind of gets hopping around July 4th for about 6 weeks, and then it kind of builds up to then, and then it dies out after that. So we also stayed at a campground, probably about a mile outside of town. And what was the name of that one?
It was Kal-Haven RV Park. But I wanted to mention we brought up e-bikes, so we rode around, which was a great way to see the town. Not only the town, but like the houses, the area. So that if we didn't do that and we just walked, we couldn't have seen as much as we did. It was a great thing.
It's always good to have mode of transportation, whether it's bikes, e-bikes, scooters. We also have scooters with us on the trip. But yeah, you get to see a little bit of the outside, and we went on a trail. I can't even pronounce it. Maybe Melissa can pronounce it, but the Kai Trail, or we'll call it the Kai Trail.
It was the Kal-Havan Trail.
Kal-Haven Trail.
Yes.
So that was nice. We went down about half a mile or so.
Oh yeah, we saw a covered bridge.
There's some covered bridge, which you'll see in the video. So that was nice. Yeah, it's just a good, relaxing town. A way to kick off our trip. And the RV park itself.
It was a small park. It didn't had I don't know, 20 sites?
Yeah, it was about
small.
20 sites, real small. I mean,
It was pretty level.
I mean, it accomplished what we needed to accomplish.
Wasn't anything fancy.
Not fancy. It had full hookups, so it was nice, right out of town. You know, just a place to keep your camper for the night. We're going to rate the town as opposed to the campsite because the campsite is really just basic. I mean, there's no sense giving it a number. Nice place. We definitely recommend to stay here if you're just looking for a place, but there's really nothing to talk about.
There's no amenities that I know of.
Yeah, no amenities, no view. Just a nice place to keep your RV. So we're not going to.
Just a good place to into town and to do stuff you want to do in South Haven.
Right,
so.
but more so the town itself. So we rate from 10 to 1, with 10 being the best place we've ever been, and 1 being the not so best place we've ever been. So things that we factor in are, well, when we do campsites, it's amenities and that, but you get what we're looking at, what we're looking for when we go 1 to 10. So with that said, Melissa, what would you rate the town of
I would
South
say
Haven?
it's about a 7, the town.
Okay. What, any negatives about
No, I mean, it was small. It was cute. What would you never gave your rating?
it? Oh, the city?
Yeah.
The town? I'd give it a nice 7.5.
Oh, you went higher than me.
Yeah. Yep. So with that said, we will see you down the road.
Talking through the night and through the morning, building chemistry. And I think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say